Want to fund your Binance account using GCash? In this video, I'll be go over everything you need to know about it. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Open your Binance account and log in. Open from the home page, tap P2P under Trade. Now buy and select your crypto using USDT or BTC and filter the payment method to GCash. Also set your currency to PHP. You'll now see a list of verified sellers. Click their completion rate and limits. Once you find a trusted one, tap buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then tap buy with 0 fee. You'll be taken to the payment page. Here, copy the seller's GCash number and send the exact amount using your GCash app. After payment, return to Binance and tap transfer. Notify seller, then the seller will then confirm and release the crypto to your Binance wallet. And you're done. Your crypto will show up in your Binance funding wallet. Always trade with verified sellers and take screenshots for proof. If this video helped, make sure you subscribe and like and follow for more crypto guides.